What if you're sitting on a gold mine you can't see, hidden in the shadows of your own systems?
It's called dark data. The 90% of information that the world simply ignores.
Every email, every logistics log, every customer sigh is a signal waiting to be heard.
While the market fights over the same public data, the real alpha stays in the dark. Investors are blind to the most powerful data source on the planet.
But what if you could finally see it? What if the shadows began to speak?
This is the revolution of market intelligence, seeing the unseen. Dark data isn't noise. It's the sound of the future happening now.
Extracting value from the void. That is the new game. In 2026, the edge belongs to those who look where others won't. A global intelligence network, hidden in plain sight. Information is leaking everywhere. Most of it is never caught.
Until now. Sentinel is turning the lights on.
One dormant signal can trigger a market-shifting insight.
Asymmetry is the only way to beat the algorithm. Knowing what your competitor hasn't even analyzed yet. This isn't prediction. It's direct observation of hidden reality. The speed of dark data is the speed of total dominance.
Going back to find the patterns everyone missed. The ripples are the signals. The drops are the assets. Episode 3, Dark Data's Shadow. The hunt begins.
Unmask the ghost. Find the gold.